children, now we will revise chapter 15, conjunction. Okay, so open your book, take out page number 67. What are conjunctions? Conjunction help us to connect two or more words or sentences. Today we will revise conjunction words such as or, and, but and because. Okay, or, and, but, because. Okay, let us revise through some examples. So, children, here you can see one boy. So, let us write one sentence for him. Okay, the boy is smart. The boy is intelligent. Okay, these are the two sentences for this boy. Okay, so children, we can rewrite them or we can join them using word and. Okay, so children, when do we use and? Whenever the sentences are of same idea. Here we are talking about boy, one boy. It is both the sentences are similar, both the sentences are of same idea, because here we are talking about one boy, that he is smart, he is intelligent. Okay, the boy is smart, the boy is intelligent. So we can rewrite it using conjunction word and. Okay, let us see how we can rewrite it as the boy is smart and intelligent. Okay, so children, we also use conjunction words to avoid repetition. Okay, we also use conjunction words to avoid repetition. Here look at the sentence, the boy is smart and intelligent. Okay, so now this both the sentence we combine it and rewrite it as the boy is smart and intelligent using conjunction word and over here. Children, now we will revise conjunction word but. So children, when do we use conjunction word but? Whenever the sentences are of opposite ideas. Whenever the sentences are of opposite ideas, we use conjunction word but. Now look at example. So here you can see one girl, she is Ria. Okay, Ria can sing she cannot dance. So children, here are two sentences for Ria. Ria can sing, Ria cannot dance. Okay, so children, here both the sentences about Ria are of opposite ideas. Look over here, Ria can sing, she cannot dance. So they are of opposite idea. Okay, so we will join the sentences of opposite idea by word, through word, but, but. Which word we use? Which conjunction word we use to join sentences of opposite idea? But. Okay, let us rewrite this sentence. Ria can sing but she cannot dance. Okay, so children, here we have joined this sentence using word but over here, because both the sentences about Ria are of opposite idea. Okay, now we will see example of or. Okay, conjunction word or. Okay, now children, look over here, this is an apple and this is a mango. Okay, now look over here, I will write two sentences. Do you like an apple? Do you like a mango? So children, here are two sentences, okay, and there is a choice. So children, whenever a choice is given in sentences, we use conjunction word or to combine them. Look over here how we can rewrite it as. Children, now we will rewrite the sentence using word or, okay. Do you like an apple or a mango? So children, here in this sentence we have to make a choice between an apple and a mango. So we have used conjunction word or over here, okay, or over here. So children, whenever we have to make choice in a sentence, we use conjunction word or, and look over here, to avoid repetition we also use conjunction. We have learned that and now look over here, do you like, it is there, do you like is there in both the sentences. So to avoid repetition, we will write it once, do you like an apple or a mango, okay. Children, now we will revise conjunction word because, okay. So children, when do we use conjunction word because? Whenever there is a reason in a sentence, we join the sentence using conjunction word because. Look over here. Here you can see one baby, and what is he doing? He is crying, okay. So sentence for him is, the baby is crying he is hungry. So children, look over here, in second sentence reason is given that why is baby crying, because he is hungry. So children, we join both the sentence using conjunction word because, okay. So now I'll rewrite it for you. The baby is crying because he is hungry. So children, here reason is given to you in a sentence, okay. That's why we have used conjunction word because over here, okay. So children, I hope you have understood it well. Children, now we will revise bookwork of this chapter. Question A, it is on page number 68. Question A is, join the following sentences using the conjunctions given in brackets. So children, some conjunction words are given to you in a bracket. You have to use them in a sentence, join the sentence and complete the sentence, okay. So children, look at number 2. Ronnie didn't like the shirt, he took it. But is given to you in a sentence. So children, you have already learnt that when do we use conjunction word but? Whenever sentences are of different idea, okay. Whenever the sentences are of opposite idea. Look over here, Ronnie didn't like the shirt. So he didn't like the shirt, he took it. So he did like the shirt, but still he took it. So how we will join it? We will join it using but. So children, when do we use word but? We use but whenever the sentence is of opposite ideas, okay. So correct sentence will be, Ronnie didn't like the shirt, but he took it. So children, this you already learnt that whenever sentences of opposite ideas, we use conjunction word but, okay. children, look at number 4. Kavita knows Alice, Kavita knows Deepa. In bracket, and is given to you. Okay, so children, when do we use word and? Whenever the two sentences are of similar ideas. Okay, so look over here how we will write. We will write it as Kavita knows Alice. Okay, this is one sentence. Now we will combine it using and Kavita knows Alice and Deepa. Okay, so this is how we will write it. Kavita knows Alice and Deepa. So children, when do we use conjunction word and? Whenever the sentence is of similar ideas. Okay. Now children, look at number 5. You may have an apple, you may have an orange. So children, here in this sentence, word or is given to you and you have to make a choice. Okay. You may have an apple, you may have an orange. So instead of repeating it again, we will use word or. Okay. Look over here how we will write. You may have an apple, or an orange. So children, whenever you have to make a choice, we use conjunction word or. Okay. Now children, we will move to our next question. Children, now we will revise question B. It is on page number 68. Look over here, number 2. So children, question B is, choose the correct options from the box to complete the sentences. So children, some options are given to you in a box. You have to choose the correct one and complete the sentences. Okay. Look at number 2. Tina did not go to school. Okay. I'll read out all the options for you. And bathed in it. Is it possible Tina did not go to school and bathed in it? No. But happy, or by train, because she was ill, because he did not work hard, but dogs cannot. These are the options. You have to choose the correct one and complete the sentence. Okay. Number 2 is Tina did not go to school. So here the correct one is because she was ill. So here in this sentence we have used conjunction word because. So children, when do we use conjunction word because? Whenever we have to give some reasons. So let us read it again. Tina did not go to school because she was ill. So children, why she can't go to school? What is the reason here? Because she was ill. Because she was ill. Okay. Now children, look at number 4. Sudha can go by bus. So here the correct option is or by train. So children, here Sudha can go by bus or by train. So here there is a choice. We have to make a choice between bus and train. So correct conjunction word will be overall, because here we have to make a choice. Sudha can go by bus or by train. Now children, look at number 5. Sarla went to the river and bathed in it. So children, look over here. Here both the sentences are of similar idea, of same idea. Sarla went to the river. Why she went to the river? So Sarla went to the river and there what she did? She bathed in it. So Sarla went to the river and bathed in it. So here we have used conjunction word and, because both the sentences are of similar idea. Okay. Now children, our book work is over here. So children, I hope you have revised chapter 14 and chapter 15 well with me. Do watch recorded videos which have been uploaded earlier. Thank you.